Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I went from dry hair like this to strengthened and moisturized hair like this, stay tuned. Okay, so here's one of the key ingredients, bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is full of minerals that's going to cleanse my scalp from dead skin cells as well as completely cleanse my hair follicles. The next key ingredient is apple cider vinegar. This brand is organic and one that I definitely recommend. Apple cider vinegar is going to help restore your pH balance as well as help you deal with any type of itchy scalp issues you may have. Next is the application bottle that I will be using. I like to make my mixture extremely watery to ensure that I coat every strand. This is the cup for my mixture to make for easy cleanup. These utensils are very vital to this process because you do not want to use metal. Here's my spray bottle mixed with conditioner and water to help me detangle. Okay, so to go ahead and get started, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the bentonite clay, pour it in the cup, add another one. I was running very low on apple cider vinegar. Later, I did add some water to help make it that liquidy consistency that I like. Here's where I added water as well as a bit more clay to get it to that consistency that I like. Okay, so once you pour it into your bottle, make sure you give it a good shake. Covering yourself with a towel is definitely optional. If you have an old t-shirt you don't mind to get dirty, feel free to wear that because it will wash out. You want to be sure that you work in sections. I'm going to start in the back, sectioning the back portion of my hair and putting away the top. Okay, so here we go. A very important part to this process is making sure that your hair is very wet. It doesn't have to be dripping wet, but you want to make sure it's wet enough to where you can get a good detangle, as well as make sure the mixture coats every strand of your hair. I like to start at my scalp and go ahead and work my way down the hair strands. Another tip is knowing that a little goes a long way. So once you get a good amount on there, go ahead and work it through your hair strands. When it comes to cleansing your scalp, use your finger pads and not your fingernails. This mixture does take the place of a shampoo. My hair been through a few protective styles as well as a lot of product buildup. So this will get rid of all of that as well as restore and moisturize your hair. At this point, majority of my hair is coated in the mixture, and you can tell a major difference. If you notice in the front of my hair, the curls are different from the ones that are in the back, and that's due to heat damage. But what I will say, even with doing this one time this year, the front of my hair is curling up more than I have ever seen it. So I plan to do this at least once or twice a month to restore that heat damage in the front. Once you've completed all your sections, just take whatever you have left over and distribute it throughout the hair, making sure to massage the scalp with the finger pads as well as coat every strand. This is about 10 minutes later. As it dries, it will stiffen up a bit. I went ahead and washed the mixture out as well as following it up with some conditioner. I'm super happy with the outcome. My hair feels very soft. My scalp is clean, which I will show you here in just a minute. I went ahead and added my leave-in, my oils, as well as my cream, and finished up with some flat twists throughout my hair. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you try this mask or have tried it, please let me know down below in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.